Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to add a photo to your existing contact in your phone book on HUAWEI P60 Pro. To do this operation we have to go to Phone, our contacts down here. We have to choose the contact we want to add photo, for example here. The edit function is here and we just need to click this little circle here. We can take a photo or choose one from the gallery. We have one here, our SIM card. Accept this one, yes please, and confirm. Our name now has a photo attached to it. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.